Hey everyone, it's a great day. Today we are heading out to Sanibel to go look at some properties. So what happened was one of our investor friends called us. And basically what happened is he's found a bunch of people, in a lot of cases older people, who have had their houses flooded or have hurricane damage to them, and they don't want to rebuild. They found other options, whatever. So now we have these properties that are going to go at wholesale prices. And so if anybody out there is watching this video and has dreamed about living on an island, dreamed about living on Sanibel, or just an investor that wants to possibly make some money on some deals, now's the time. We have these properties scattered all over Southwest Florida, and we can provide you with a list. But today's great because what we're going to do is we're going to actually walk you through a few of them out on the island and show you the condition and talk about the after repair value, talk about the repairs, and just educate you a little bit on the process. So let's go take a look at property number one. Okay, we're outside this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. It's on the golf course, not sure what hole yet, but it looks like it's in good shape on the outside. They got nice landscaping. It's got a tile roof. It's a pool home, and so they're asking mid 700s, and the after repair value after it's put back together will be about 1.2 million. Let's go check out the inside and see what it looks like. Oh, wow, I like this area. This is a cool little area, isn't it? Like a sitting area, front porch, screened in, so you don't have to worry about the bugs and stuff like that. Oh, wow. Wow, look at this. Okay, so this would be the living room area. Over in this direction, we have a master bedroom area, and it looks like through here we have the kitchen. So if it were me, I would probably reconfigure this. You can see how the walls go up, but now that it's down to the studs, why not reconfigure this and make this, open this up, make it maybe a bar area or something like that, over to the kitchen. They left the nice ceramic tile floors again, which is really good. And then come in here, and this must have been the dining area with a walk out to the pool area, which we'll go out there in just a moment. One guest bedroom. Oh, okay, so we got another guest bedroom and a pool bath right here. Ooh, okay. Look at this. So you got the master and you got this nice seating area over here. I'm not sure what they quite use this for. Master bathroom, which looks like it's a really nice size. Another closet. They use this area for the shower, and then there was a tub here, but depending on how you want to configure it, there is plumbing here, so you can do whatever you want. This is a blank slate. Let's go check out the pool area and the golf course view. Oh, something I should mention. Really heavy door, hurricane doors and windows already in this house, which is really cool. Look at the lanai, nice size lanai. Area to put a wet bar right here if we wanted to. Since the kitchen is just on the other side of this wall. So while we're doing construction, let's put in a wet bar right here. Huh? You like that idea, don't you? All right, and then we have the paver. Nice paver area, just lots of room to entertain. Look at that view. Wow, and should also mention we are just like maybe a mile from the causeway entrance and exit, so yes, just a great location altogether. Okay, we're outside of another property. As you can see there, the breeze from the inside is still outside, has not been cleaned up yet, but they will be getting that cleaned up hopefully. Now here's what's cool about this property. It's on the ocean, right? It's 322, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage. It's already been remediated on the inside. They're asking low 900s, and the after repair value is around 1.5 million. So let's go and take a look at the inside and see what it looks like now.
This one is a little bit of a challenge to get into. The front door has been boarded off.
Wow, okay. Still quite a bit of cleanup to do on this particular property, but you can see that there's a good starting point here. Look at the pool. Obviously it's going to need a new pool cage. It's hard to see right now maybe on camera, but the ocean is right over there, intercoastal it looks like. Once this is all landscaping is cleaned up, there will be a nice view right through to the water there, which would be really neat. It'd be cool to be sitting in your hot tub and looking over the, you know, the ocean and stuff there.
I really like this extended lanai area over here. This is great for entertaining. You have a seating area on this side too, which you can get some sunlight on this side. This side is not covered, but this huge area over here is all covered.
Wow, we're inside. This one feels a lot bigger. It's nice though. It looks like it's got really good bones and good potential. Yeah, they left the wood floors, which is interesting to me. I think you're probably going to have to rip these out. The living room wraps around this way, and you've got several sliders to walk out onto your lanai and the pool area. Over here is where the kitchen was. I don't know if you all noticed right away, but there's terrazzo. Terrazzo was so popular back in the day when we built these homes. So there's terrazzo under these wood floors. We may be able to just pull the floors up and save the terrazzo. Over here we have a guest bedroom, it looks like, off of the garage area, because you have your closets and that. And then over here, looks like could be a master bedroom, because there's a bathroom attached to it. Come through here, and we have this is the master bedroom actually, because look how big it is, and there's a bathroom over here attached.
So don't let the look of this one scare you guys. This is a great opportunity.
Exactly. Okay, so leaving Sanibel, and as you can see, it's a sad situation over there. It's unfortunate, but most of the properties over there that still exist are in that same condition that the properties are that we just showed you. So it's very, very unfortunate. And our goal in all this is to get those folks a fair price on their home, and also get a fair price for the buyers, the one that's going to step in there and do all the work to remodel it and get it in livable condition. So these aren't all the properties we have on Sanibel. We have properties throughout Southwest Florida. So if you're interested in this type of deal, reach out to us. We'll be happy to get you a list. We'll be happy to talk you through the whole process of remodeling, remediation, all the stuff that we've learned along the way, and help you out. So just reach out. I'm Doug Lugers. Thanks for watching.